Hello everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to replace the rear badge on the Ford Focus Estate. Stay tuned. So this is the current badge. It's well, it's seen better days basically. It's missing that end and it's starting to go here. This is, well, it seems to be quite a common issue on the Fords. For some reason the front is fine, but the rear, I don't know what it's made out of. Feels like polystyrene, but clearly it isn't polystyrene. I'm not quite sure what it is, but we're going to pull this off, replace it with this. This is a genuine Ford badge. There is the part number, if you guys can work it out. This is for the Estate model. So I did buy a rear badge and it didn't fit. It was too small, quite a lot small. It was kind of the best part of an inch too small. So got in touch with the seller and the guy was like, no, it's definitely for your car. Turns out it wasn't. He refunded me and we ended up with this one. So I'm gonna put this on. It is just tape. Yeah, double, well, sticky back tape. So I think if I just put some heat onto this and a pry tool, it should just come off. I've got a heat gun over here and I've put a tip on it to try and direct the heat rather than just having a full circle. I'm going to be very careful with this because I do not want to blister or damage the paint. So let's get you guys set up on a stand, put some heat on, put this pry tool in, and hopefully it'll just pop off. Wishful thinking there. It's pretty hot. Don't want to put too much more. It's actually blistering, so I don't want to put any more heat if I don't have to. That sounded promising, didn't it? That's the one to use. Got to scratch the paint. That's it. Here's the one. Bit more heat. It's really hot. There we go. Look at that. What a mess. Right, so just going to put some alcohol onto this with a rag, some paper towels, and get the grease off, and then we can stick on the new badge. So that came up really well. So the next step is to stick this on there, which I think is just a case, because I don't see anything else. Pull this off and stick it on. I guess it was sent, oh, it kind of just finds its own There you go. Look at that. Wow. I think this is about £20, something like that. But what a difference. I should have cleaned that bit of muck up. It needs a good clean anyway, this car is pretty filthy. Well, there you go guys. I think that is an improvement. So all you need is a couple of pry tools and the badge and a bit of alcohol and you're good to go. This one worked really well. I managed to get this underneath and then like a crowbar pry it off. So that was nice and quick. I've just replaced the handbrake cable. That took a long time. That took most of the day. So yeah, compared to that, I love jobs like this. 2-minute jobs, and what a difference it makes. Brand new. So I'm going to end it there guys. Thank you for watching. Like always, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.